Did you know that a portable monitor could change the way you work on the go? Let's dive into 5 things you didn't know about the ViewSonic VP16 OLED. Welcome to the Inspect aspect. Today we're exploring the ViewSonic VP16 OLED, a 15.6-inch portable OLED monitor that promises a lot. But does it deliver? Let's find out. First up, its ultra-portable design. With a 15.6-inch screen and weighing only 2 pounds, this monitor is easy to fit in your backpack. But how does it hold up in terms of usability? You heard that right. At just 0.8 inches thick, it's incredibly compact. However, do you sacrifice screen quality for portability? Let's explore that. With USB-C connectivity, you can enjoy fast data, audio, and video transfer, along with 40W charging, all through a single cable. But can it handle all your devices seamlessly? The ergonomic height-adjustable stand and the included monitor hood allow for versatile use. Whether you're at a cafe or in a more rigid workspace, is it comfortable for extended periods? It's Pantone validated for color accuracy. But do the colors actually hold up when you're editing or watching videos? Let's get into that. After examining all the features and some of the drawbacks, the ViewSonic VP16 OLED seems like a fantastic choice for mobile professionals and creatives alike. However, if you prioritize performance over portability, you might want to consider other options. Overall, it's a solid investment for those who need a reliable portable display.